So here we are. I'm here with Amy Lewis, otherwise known as on Twitter, Comms Ninja. Amy, how are you doing?
Doing well. How are you doing, Simon?
Not bad, not bad. Hey, so to kick things off, do you want to give us a little bit of background about yourself, who you work for, and the whole Engineers Unplugged initiative?
Sure, absolutely. So I work for Cisco, and we came up with Engineers Unplugged as a way to kind of capture the hallway track of conferences, events, etc. So the things that engineers talk about when nobody else is paying attention. So you're off PowerPoint, you're not pitching to a customer, you're just talking to each other. And those are the great conversations people always talk about the next day, and they write on napkins and say, I wish I'd blogged that. And that's what we try to do on a whiteboard. So 2 engineers, 1 whiteboard, 7 to 9 minutes. Pretty open field in terms of the topic.
Excellent. So it's sort of like real bite-sized chunks. So is it engineers only, or do you have like all manner of people that come through the Engineers Unplugged studio here?
We use the term engineers fairly loosely, and even a big joke today where we're like, oh my gosh, we had a cancellation. It's like, oh, who are we going to get on? And we're talking like it's engineers having the conversation. We forget we can use people standing right around. You can grab pretty much anybody and have this conversation.
And that's the beauty of being like in the hallway here. You know, as people walk past, you can grab them. I guess just talk to them about topics of the day or anything they really want to talk about, as long as it's sort of IT, technical, or virtualization related.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So we've gotten all sorts of things. I say please no commercials or products, because we want it to be a little more high level, a little more forward looking.
Yep.
And so we've had some great conversations. We've had debates. We've had agreements, disagreements, and all on the whiteboard. Just very natural.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. And are there any topics at the moment that seem to keep coming up in these discussions? Sort of any hot topics, as there were?
Software defined everything. So if you can possibly define it with software, we've talked about it. And the other thing I love is that we have conversations about whether that's just buzzword, bingo,
yes.
To use polite language, and or if it's something real, it's a trend we're seeing in the industry. Lots of automation. That's another big topic, and the abstraction. The word of the day seems to be abstraction. So he who abstracts wins.
Right. Brilliant. I mean, around the whole software defined. Insert whatever you want there.
Absolutely.
Is that here to stay, or do you think, like you say, is it a buzzword that's going to be here for 2013, maybe 2014, go away, or it's going to be almost rebranded as something else next year?
I think it will undoubtedly be rebranded, but I think the concepts are here to stay. Everything I'm hearing is we're in a place where this is the new way of operating, this is the new way of doing business, and it'll be one of those moments in time, I think, where we just kind of move past it, and we stop talking about it and we talk about the next thing because we're solving a new set of problems.
Right, gotcha. So, and on Engineers Unplugged, have you got anything exciting coming up? Any exciting episodes or anything lined up? I know when we were talking the other day, you mentioned about home labs there, or labs in general.
Absolutely. So one of the things we like to do is to solve your problem in the home lab. So Simon, if you've got home lab issues you want to talk about, you should come on.
Few. Yep,
all right, then this is perfect. We should. So I'm always asking people to submit their problems because it usually connects with somebody else who's having a problem. A buddy of mine in TAC is going to take us into the TAC lab, and we're going to use that as the whiteboard. So to actually go into a data center where they recreate the problems and use that as our whiteboard. So that's going to be awesome.
That's brilliant. And I mean, just to confirm, Engineers Unplugged, it's not just about Cisco, it's about pretty much the industry as a whole, right?
Absolutely. It's about community, and we always say when you come on, turn your badge around and have the conversation. And I actually love to have people, even competitors. That's some of our best episodes is to have those varying viewpoints, because this is about the industry. This is about what we're all interested in, and what we're all friends in the end, and all passionate about technology. So this is a way to kind of get that on film.
Absolutely fantastic. Well, Amy, people watching this, if they want to, if they like the sound of that, which I'm sure they will. I mean, I've been watching many episodes for quite a while now. I always enjoy it. Highly entertaining, educational, and informative as well. How do they go about finding Engineers Unplugged?
So key tips: you want to follow Engineers Unplugged, the hashtag, on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, go to engineersunplugged.com for the web. You want to practice your unicorn drawing. Maybe I shouldn't give that away.
Actually, good opportunity. Can you draw us a unicorn?
Oh,
here we go.
No, this is
on the
not
spot,
cool.
on the
Not
spot.
cool. Not cool. All right. There's a unicorn ear. There's a horn. That's his nose. This is not good.
Actually, that's not bad.
Look at this. I've had to,
Actually, I've got to add something here.
Can you add something for us? That's really what makes a unicorn, I think, is the rainbow.
You need the rainbow. We're kind of limited here.
We only have so many.
This is the mobile studio,
yeah,
right?
the mobile
So,
studio. We only have so many. Yeah,
Cool.
but I think we're doing well. And the other thing, if you've got an idea for Engineers Unplugged, reach out to me on Twitter at CommsNinja, and I'd love to hear from you. So, and you know what? If you've got advice on how to draw a better unicorn, you might want to tweet that at me as well.
Me too. Amy, as always, it's a pleasure to meet you, and yep. I look forward to improving my unicorn drawing skills.
Well, come on, and we'll do that. We'll work on it
Fantastic.
together.
Excellent. Thank you.